Let's make jackfruit tacos. If you're wondering what's all the hype behind jackfruit, well, let me tell you, it has a lot of potassium and it can help you lower the blood pressure. This is a tropical fruit and it can help you with a lot of things like heart disease and bone loss and skin problems because it has high amounts of vitamin C as well, so it can help protect your skin from sun damage. But once you have it all rinsed and dried, you're just gonna wanna break it up either with your hands, or if you see the larger chunks at the ends, you can cut that with a knife. And essentially you'll see it kind of resembles meat, and that's why it's been really popular amongst vegans. So all you gotta do is season it well. So here we've added some salt, some paprika, some cumin, oregano, basically any of those things that make things taste like tacos, right? 2 cloves of garlic, because you can't have a dish without garlic. And you wanna add this to some oil, let it saute for a bit. Then you're gonna add the jackfruit and just let it absorb all that flavor, right? So you just move it around and mix it. And then of course, next comes these spices. So once you add all the spices, you're just gonna keep stirring it, because the longer it cooks on the pan, the more it's gonna get that crispiness, right? Add a little bit more of aminos or soy sauce, and then the sugar is gonna help it caramelize. So I've added here some date syrup, but you can use any syrup you want. And again, just mix until you get that nice charred look. And then you're ready to load up your tacos. You can kind of have this any way you want, but who doesn't like tacos? Just garnish it as you will and make sure to add that lime, and voila, you're ready to enjoy.